Do you know the grey powder called cement becomes a strong concrete building? In this video, I will explain the cement production step by step. Welcome to A to Z online study. If you like civil engineering videos, please like, subscribe and share these videos. What is cement? Cement is a building material. When we add the water, it reacts and become hard. This is the cement material. When we add the cement plus water, we can make the cement paste material. And also when we add the sand plus cement plus sand, we can make the mortar mix. And also we can add the cement plus water plus aggregate. Then we produce the concrete. So to make the cement in factories, we mainly use the material called limestone material. Using the limestone, we produce the cement, that is the source of the calcium, and also we use the clay or shale, source of silica, alumina, and small correction material like iron or sand if needed. So the limestone plus clay, we produce the main material, raw material of the cement. First, the limestone is taken from the uh, quarries by drilling and blasting. Then it goes to crusher and becomes smaller stones. Crushing makes a material easy for grinding. So, quarry, the operation is quarry, crusher, and small stones. Next, the crushed materials are ground into fine powder called raw meal. After grading, the plant mixes and blends its well, so the chemical composition becomes uniform. This is very important for good cement quality. Now, the raw meal ended the preheater. The raw meals. What are the raw meals? Fine powder before kiln. Now the raw meal ended the preheater. Raw meals are raw materials and filter and goes to the raw meal. Raw meal uh, enters the preheater where hot gases heat it. Then it goes to rotatory kiln. It's called to rotatory kiln. Inside the kiln, temperature becomes very high, around 1450 Celsius. 1450 Celsius. In this stage, chemical reaction happen and the material becomes hard nodules called clinker. It's called clinker. The material is called clinker. The material called clinker. Clinker is the main semi-finished product of cement. So preheated tower plus rotatory kiln animation is produced the clinker. Clinker temperature is 1450 Celsius. After the clinker must be cooled quickly in a clinker cooler. Using the clinker cooler, this is the clinker cooler. Cooling improves clinker quality and also recover heat to reuse the plant. Clinker is ground it very fine powder. We add a small amount of gypsum to control the setting time, so cement will not set too fast. Sometimes we also add materials like fly ash, slag, limestone filler. These are called cementatious additions, and they can improve workability, durability, and reduce heat hydration. After that, the cement is stored in the big silos. Finally, it is packed into bags like 50 kilogram bags. or it is delivered to the bulk cement by trucks. Before the sealing of the cement, uh, must pass some quality test like fillness test, setting time test, soundness test. These are the tests before passing the cement. So, in this video, I explain the cement production step by step. We cover the raw materials, crushing, raw grinding, rotary kiln, cleaning, cooling, cement grinding with gypsum in addition, storage, packing and quality control test. If you understood this video, like and subscribe to A to Z Online Study. Next video we will talk about another topic. Thank you.